Hello, it's Annelie van Rensburg and I'm going to do a little bit of pouring today. I'm just going to use my white, my purple, dark purple, my lilac and a little bit of dark blue and my white. Yeah, I said my white. So enjoy and just sit back and relax. I'm just going to wait for a few minutes to see what's going to happen there and then I'll come back. The cells are starting to come out there. It looks lovely at the moment. I hope it's going to develop a little bit more. I think I'm going to let it stand now for 20 minutes or 25 or half hour, I'm not sure, and then I'll come back and I'll see how it dried. Usually at that point it won't develop any further and it will just stay like that when it dries, unless it cracks or something, but then I'll tell you. So yeah, it looks good. I love it at the moment. You can see again, there's no silicone, no heat gun, nothing, just my colors. And I like this part here. And those, I just hope it's going to stay like that. So I will come back and I will show you when it's dried off a little bit. Okay, I'm back. It developed a little bit. Some of my cells distorted a little bit, but that's okay. That happens. I still love that piece there. And I love this almost flower-like part here. You can see up close there. This part's also very nice for me. I like it. It's still a little bit wet, so yeah, it's got a little bit of glare. I'm sorry for that. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can please like and subscribe and hit that bell. And I will see you next time.